Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna check out the top 5 best wet-dry vacuums in the market for this year. I made this based on my personal opinion and I try to list them based on a price, quality, durability, and more information about these best wet-dry vacuums you can check out the description below. So let's get started. Number 1. Bissell 1785A CrossWave Floor and Area Rug Cleaner. The Bissell CrossWave was one of the first mainstream wet-dry vacuums, and to date, it's still one of the best options in terms of performance, versatility, and overall value. The CrossWave is designed to vacuum and wash your floors simultaneously, and unlike many other products, it can be used on area rugs and floor mats, as well as sealed hard floors. The vacuum weighs just 11.5 pounds and is equipped with swivel steering, making it easy to handle, and it comes with a number of accessories, including 2 brush rolls, multiple filters, and a sample-sized bottle of cleaner. The CrossWave has separate tanks for clean and dirty water, similar to a carpet cleaner, to ensure it doesn't leave any dirt streaks on your floors or carpets. The appliance's brush rolls are made from microfiber and nylon, which help them to pick up dried debris and absorb liquids, and the brush rotates at 3000 RPMs, allowing it to remove more dirt and grime from your floors. The design is powered by a 25-foot cord for unlimited runtime, but if you're cleaning a large area, you may need to refill its clean water tank. There are a few downsides to this appliance that you'll want to consider before you buy. First, it's not as effective on pet hair as the CrossWave Pet Pro. This pet-specific model has a special brush roll and strainer to more efficiently capture pet hair. Additionally, there are several steps required to clean up after using the CrossWave, making it more time-consuming to use than a standard vacuum. However, it does come with a convenient docking tray that makes it easier to store. Number 2. CRAFTSMAN CMXEVBE17250 2.5-gallon wet-dry vac. For an affordable vacuum that can handle wet messes, your best option is a compact shop vac like this one from CRAFTSMAN. The lightweight vacuum can be carried around your home using the top handle. It doesn't have wheels and can hold up to 2.5 gallons of debris in its body. The tool includes a 5-foot hose with the 1.25-inch diameter, as well as a crevice tool and utility nozzle, and onboard accessory storage makes it easy to keep all the pieces in one place. This shop vac has a 10-foot power cord, and it operates at 1.75 peak HP. The debris you suck up will be captured inside a filter bag, and the unit can also be used as a blower, making it versatile for use around the house, your garage, or even a workspace. This wet-dry vacuum doesn't have the most powerful suction and is likely better for spot cleaning opposed to whole house cleaning, but it can be used to clean up debris on pretty much any surface. It's also significantly more lightweight and compact than traditional shop vacs. Number 3. Dreametech H11 Max Cordless Wet-Dry Vacuum Cleaner. If you're willing to spend a little more on a wet-dry vacuum that makes it quick and easy to clean your home, the Dreametech H11 Max is a worthwhile investment. This cordless vacuum can run for up to 35 minutes per charge, and you'll be able to see exactly how much battery power you have left on its large LED display. The vacuum has separate tanks for clean and dirty water, and there's even a special water absorption mode that will help you clean up spills and suck up any lingering moisture from your floors. The Dreametech H11 Max is surprisingly quiet during operation, yet it still offers powerful suction that will pick up debris, dust, and even pet hair from your floors. The vacuum comes with a convenient charging base that doubles as a dock, and one of the product's best features is its self-cleaning brush roll. Once you've finished cleaning your floors, you can dock the vacuum and press the self-cleaning button. The machine will use clean water and powerful suction to clean any lingering dirt and gunk off the brush roll, saving you from having to wash it by hand. From there, you simply have to empty the dirty water tank, and the vacuum is ready to be used again. Overall, the Dreametech H11 is a well-designed model that prioritizes convenience and ease of use, but some users might find that the vacuum's voice assistant can be irritating. The good news, however, is that this feature can be turned off. Number 4. Roborock Diet Cordless Wet-Dry Vacuum. The Roborock Diet is a fairly new wet-dry vacuum, and it offers a variety of useful features that help it stand out from other upright models. For instance, it has not one, but 2 brush rolls that help it pick up more dirt, dust, and liquid from your floors. One of the brushes offers edge-to-edge cleaning, allowing you to get closer to baseboards. It has a self-propelled design that's easy to maneuver around your home, and its head rotates up to 180 degrees, allowing you to clean around obstacles like table legs. The Dyad has 3 different cleaning modes, including auto, max, and floor drying, which is ideal for soaking up water spills. The cordless design can run for up to 35 minutes per charge, and it has a digital display that shows how much battery life is remaining. The vacuum features separate tanks for clean and dirty water, and you can mix the brand's floor cleaning solution into the clean water tank for a more thorough clean. This high-end model even has a self-cleaning button that removes dirt and grime from the brush roll, sucking it up into the dirty water tank. However, the brush rolls can get tangled with pet hair, which can make maintenance fairly challenging, and this model not particularly suitable for those with pets. Number 5. Shark VACMOP Pro Cordless Wet Dry Stick Vacuum. If you're looking for a lightweight, cordless vacuum to clean up small messes around your home, the Shark VACMOP is a worthwhile choice. This vacuum works a bit differently than other products on this list. Instead of having a dedicated dust bin, it sucks dirt and debris into a disposal pad, which you can simply throw away at the end of your cleaning session. We tested this product in the lab, and our tester gave it 5-star ratings for both effectiveness and maneuverability, noting that the lightweight design slides easily across hardwood floors, and the spray leaves behind a fresh scent after you finish mopping. The VACMOP can run for around 20 minutes per charge, and it actually has little LED headlights that help illuminate dust and dirt on your floor. You don't even have to touch the cleaning pad to dispose of it, but keep in mind that you will have to stock up on the pads, as they can only be used for a single cleaning session. Our tester also mentioned that the dirt chambers on the pads are quite small, so the wet-dry vacuum is best suited for smaller messes.